It's Adrian.bo. Welcome to Apartment 1 at 53 Frenchmans Road in Randwick North. What a stunning apartment. 1 bedroom, internal laundry, north-facing balcony, security parking, beautiful common rooftop, literally down the road from the famous bake bar and of course within walking distance to Centennial Parklands. What a great opportunity for a first home purchase or an investment property. Can't wait to see you at my open for inspection, and always remember, your home is worth more with Adrian.bo.